Hi. Successful people are more of producers type than of consumers type. They produce more than they consume. They implement more than they consume. They take actions more than just consume. By consuming, I mean reading things, watching videos, sitting, and just consuming the knowledge, increasing their knowledge, and not applying that knowledge or doing anything of that knowledge. Just consume, 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 filling their brain. From today, I have started producing, intentionally, consciously producing. I have dedicated my first hours of the day. Let's say if I wake up at 5, so 5 to 7 a.m., I have dedicated that time intentionally. Whatever I'll do, I'll not consume anything, I'll not watch any video or read any book, but I'll just implement or do something or create something out of it. So I've dedicated a slot at least for next 45 days. I have decided to implement things and the knowledge that I learned, that I know, or I have learned in the previous days. So, yesterday I read a book, and in that I studied how to properly name variables in code. What are the wrong ways of naming variables? It was an eye opener for me. After reading and understanding things, I went to my project and then I scanned various variables in my project to see which variables are not following that proper convention or proper way. They are not properly named as expected. So I not only consumed the information but also I implemented it, at least applied it, understood it, and after that I'll also make changes in the code later on to see how to fix them and get them fixed. So it was a complete cycle. Instead of just consuming the content and how a variable is named properly, I stretched it to find out it in the real life and then fix it in the real life. So that is the complete learning thing, and it made some impact, it made some difference, real difference. I've also started creating YouTube podcast videos like this, just talking to myself and logging my growth journey. One of the YouTubers said that if you have started your growth journey, then make sure that you log it somewhere, at least for somebody else to get inspired and for you as well to see how far you have reached. So in Tits and Bits, I have also started to record YouTube videos, which I did earlier and then left, and then I have again come back to it. I have also started writing blogs in that 2 hours morning. I wanted to increase my productivity. I wanted to fasten up my work speed and efficiency at work. So I started to find out my own ways of increasing my productivity and then noted them at a place. So now I have at least 15 points. If a developer uses it and is not using earlier, can improve the efficiency of work at work. So it is said that if you want to be best at something, start teaching it. So now I wanted to be best at my productivity level. I wanted to, now I have 15 points and I can share them or teach them to other people via some blog.